Hello guys, what's up? I feel the pain because of the nociceptor neuron, and this is my sensor. So today in this tutorial, we'll learn what is sensor and how is this used for. So let's get started. What is sensor? Sensor is a device which can detect and sense the physical environment. So what is the physical environment? Physical environment is the world. Like in our body, we have some sensors. Like through the ears, we can hear, and eye, we can catch the color and light, and nose, we can smell, and the tongue, we can taste the fruit and something like this. And these are my sensor. We can able to see this kind of sensor in the shop and factory industries. We use color sensor or camera to capture the color, and we use microphone to hear. For temperature, we use temperature sensor, and there are thousands of more. If you see the mobile, there are plenty of sensor available. So sensing it does. Then what? If you remember when the mosquito bite, then what happened? The neuron give the signal to the brain through the spinal cord, and then the brain decided to kill the mosquito. Then it give task to the hand and RIP. Same thing goes to the sensor. When the sensor detects some change, it will give the signal to the CPU. That means the brain of the industry, and the CPU will tell what to do. Then it will punch and the work is done. So what is sensor do? It sense and give signal. What is the signal? When sensor sense something, it will convert it to electrical signal. Like you can say sound to electrical signal, noise to electrical signal, taste to electrical signal, color to electrical signal. That means it convert the physical environment to electrical signal, because the CPU and our industry can able to understand the electrical signal. And there are two types of sensor. One is active, the other one is passive. The passive sensor need power source. Then the active sensor doesn't need any power source. It can generate electricity from it.
Look and shape wise, there are different types of sensor. These types of pin system sensor are for use for microcontroller and Arduino. And industrial sensor are look like this. These are box type, and some are heat and water protected. Mainly these are designed for long time use.
Let's see some example in the real world. Nowadays, sensors are everywhere. If we go in the lift, there is a sensor between the door. If you give hand, it will automatically pin it up. And there are sensors in the car. If the car hit anything, it will automatically blow the balloon. That means there is a sensor in front of the car. And if we tell the automatic car system like electric car, Tesla, that kind of thing, there is a LiDAR sensor in front every side, and it will detect the distance, and that makes the car automatic. You don't need to touch, because sensor will sense the distance and it will move the car. And there are many more sensors in the car. And if we see in the mobile in our hand, there are plenty of sensors, microphone, camera, and many more. So now it's time for a task for you. Go outside or inside in your room. Let's see the every device. Where are sensors? Like refrigerator, is there any sensor? AC, if there any sensor? Your mobile phone, and go to the outside and see the lamppost, everything.
And make a list and let me know in the comment.
And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to learn the PLC with this kind of 3D simulation software without buying anything, check out my another video. And if you want a video on a specific topic, let me know in the comment.